In Huanan County, China, a school basketball gym roof totally collapsed. The incident occurred around 7:20 p.m. after a heavy snowfall. There were a few people still inside. However, 3 people got trapped when the concrete roof caved in, possibly children. A woman was seen running towards the gym yelling, "My son is still inside." Unfortunately, there are 3 fatalities and 1 injured person. Interestingly enough, back in July, 11 people passed away because of another school gym roof collapse. It was number 34 middle school. In that incident, investigators stated it was caused by construction materials weighing on the roof. Also, heavy rains had fallen for many days there. Both gyms were made of concrete. How often are safety inspections completed, especially in provinces with severe storms?